Hi, I'm Joan Edge, Director of the Little Dixie Technical and Management Assistance Contract. Little Dixie is a U.S. contractor to provide technical and management assistance to new and existing self-help grantees in the 11th state region of the central United States. This is a direct result of our agency's outstanding guidance of the self-help program locally for many years. Since 1980, Little Dixie has held a contract with USDA Rural Development to administer training and management assistance to rural development and self-help grantees in the 11 states from North Dakota to Texas, including Oklahoma. Each year, the TNMA staff monitors approximately $5 million in administrative funds and $24 million in construction budgets of self-help housing grantees. Little Dixie staff members travel throughout the 11th state region to provide training and monitoring services. The training includes overall program structuring, planning, and operational management. Among the areas monitored are program compliance reviews, expenditures of administrative funds, client construction money, and construction quality. We are very grateful for your support.